Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shasar Classes. My dear students, today I am going to discuss the very important topic regarding the class 10th SSLC final board exam. In my previous class already I have discussed part A, part B of SSLC study material, and today I am going to continue with part C, biology. In this video we are going to study the class 10th, that is SSLC Karnataka State Board, very important questions of the unit biology. Children, as you can see here, the topics are life process, control and coordination, how do organisms reproduce, heredity and evolution, our environment, sustainable management of natural resources. So these all set of chapters, it carries 27 marks for your upcoming board exam as per the KSEEB theme wise blueprint. Okay, so this video is helpful because of many reasons. And before we could start this class and the session, I am very thankful for IC classes, Isaradis classes, the one who have prepared this study material to help the students of all the class 10 state board. Okay, so this material is helpful for the academic year June 2020, June 2021 as per the revised reduced syllabus. Is this clear? I hope the concept is clear, and this material is going to be helpful for everyone. Why? Because the first reason is here we have covered the very important questions and also most likely questions for the 2021 exam, and also the previous questions from the SSLC board. So which are the questions have asked in the previous exam, in the previous years. We have given a list of these all questions, as you can see here. In the year April 2019, these were the questions have been asked in the SSLC final board exam. And my dear students, I like to tell one thing here as per the revised reduced syllabus only we have given the questions, and from the deleted part, even though the questions have asked in the previous year, we have not given those questions here in this video. We have removed those questions. Is this clear? We have removed the deleted part questions, and only the questions which is related to this year's syllabus, only those questions are projected here, or else as you can see here on the screen. So these are the questions which I have asked in the previous years. And still, if you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shasar Classes, do subscribe it and share this video as much as possible with your all friends and your classmates. And as you can see here, this is the question is been asked in the year June 2019, and this is the question have asked in April 2020. Okay, children, please go through these all questions, and these are the most likely questions for 2021. I'm just scrolling down. As you can see, the question and answers both are given here, so that you will get an idea how maybe the question can ask in for this year. Concept is clear? I hope so. Then this is the chapter control and coordination. Similar questions I have given here from the previous years. We have given all the list of questions of the previous exam, and these are the most likely questions. Children, I definitely believe that you people can do even this year board exam. Please don't lose your confidence. Motivate yourself that you can do it and start preparing for it. And now this is a chapter how do organisms reproduce. These are the questions from the previous year. Children, still if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it and click the bell icon so that you can find the latest updates and notifications from our end, time to time, up to date. And even ask your other friends also to subscribe, and even you please try to recommend your juniors, the freshers for this year 10th standard, to utilize this channel in a proper way for their preparation right from the beginning. And these are the most likely questions for 2021. If you have liked this class and the video, do not forget to click the like button. And this is the chapter heredity and evolution. And my dear students, if any students are interested to join for our regular coaching classes, Evershine Coaching Center. We do have branches in Tannery Road and Shivaji Nagar, Bangalore. In the below description we have given all the details. The admissions are open for the next year batch 2021-2022, online and offline mode classes. For further details you can contact me as per the given contact number. And as you can see here, these are the questions which has appeared in the previous year. And these are the most likely questions for 2021. And now this is a chapter, our environment. Children, please make sure that in this topic only concept you need to study for the exam. Okay, only concept is very important. As you can see here, we have given a list of questions here. This year only concept based questions will be asked, so you can study according to that. And now this is a chapter, sustainable management of natural resources. Now these are the previous year exam questions which have appeared from this chapter. So kindly study even the previous year questions and also the question which is most likely which we have given in this video. You can just go through it, and also we'll be including still more number of questions. We'll be making still more videos where we will be giving most likely questions. I just want you all need to follow our channel and practice the questions whichever we are going to give here. I hope the concept is clear for you all. Still, if you have any doubts in the given comment box, you can comment to us. So definitely we will revert you with the solution, the best possible solution for your problems. I hope the concept is clear. Do not forget to share this video as much as possible with your all friends and utilize the opportunity to learn with Shah Faisal sir. Okay. And children, the one who wants the PDF link of this video, in the below description we will give the PDF link. You can download it from there. As well, we are going to paste the PDF link even in our Telegram channel, Shah Sir Classes. You can download even from our Telegram channel. Please join to the Telegram channel where we have already given many PDF links, and also important topics videos is been uploaded over there. You can get the PDF links for all the theory part and for all the videos in our Telegram channel. Thank you. Keep watching to our channel. Best of luck. Be safe at your home. Thank you.